Hi, everyone. Today I want to show you how Salesforce Maps can revolutionize your field reps work. I know I often talk about Salesforce Maps, but it's truly a game changer for anyone with field reps. In this video, I'll show you how to leverage your own account data, your ERP data, your CRM data, and business data publicly available to truly change the way your sales reps work in the field. Salesforce Maps allows businesses to create data layers. And with these layers, you can categorize businesses by SIC or NAICS codes. You can categorize by revenue or all kinds of different data that's out there and publicly available. Even if you don't have that data in your CRM as leads or accounts, you can empower your reps to schedule meetings with prospects and make those trips more productive. Typically, customers plan trips out to the field looking for a set number of clients. They analyze and schedule those trips, usually by hand, but then things can go awry. Clients can cancel last minute, or a meeting that was supposed to take 30 minutes ends in 10. A good rep wants to make the most of the time on the road. So what can you do? With data layers, reps can quickly add new prospects to the route, drop off literature, and introduce themselves. All right, as I load maps, you can see my accounts as my default layer. And I can add from here some interesting information about my opportunities or my leads, but I'm going to add my trucking fleets. This is a data layer from data that's publicly available out there in the world. It's for a particular SIC code, and the clients have to, or the businesses have to make more than $3 million annually. Salesforce will draw this up for us and put it in addition to my accounts right here on the page. Now I can really get some interesting information as I plan these routes. So how cool is this? I click over this pin. This is not in my system. It's a NICS cable. It's M&M Produce and Farm and Sales. They do about $4.6 million out there in the world. I can take that information as long as I'm going to see my customers and put them into the route. I'll show you that in a second. Interstate Waste Services obviously has a fleet of trucks. We're going to be interested in talking to them. They do about 3.1. I've got another guy out here doing 10 million as Collin Brothers Moving Company. So there's all kinds of different pins in my data loader for trucking fleets that I can take advantage of by going out and seeing these customers. So you know the drill. I grab the box, I draw the picture, and when I get the information that I'm looking for, I right-click and I add to a route. When I do that, Salesforce draws it up over here on the side for me, and then I simply optimize, and it's going to take me on a round trip from my house. It's what I've got as my favorite, in between these two and bringing us back home. So here we go. Pretty slick, right? Starts here, draws me in a gigantic circle, and brings me right back to where I started at home, kind of putting this information together. And as I look at this, I've got about 6 hours on the road. This is a productive road trip, right? I've got a bunch of different people that I'm going to stop at, clients that I know, plus businesses that I've never been to drop off that literature and get them to know me. Super easy and all-encompassing way to use data, CRM, ERP, and general demographic data out there to really optimize those road trips. We'd love to help. Reach out to me in the comments here or by emailing us the old-fashioned way at info@blackirongroup.com. Thanks for listening.